Hi there, welcome back to Rigetti Canvas training videos. This video is to introduce you to the Commons. The Canvas Commons is a great place that you can look for content that has been shared by other Canvas users. So I'm on the Commons page here right now. You get here by clicking on the Commons button here on the left-hand bar of the navigation menu. As you can see, there's lots of different types of content that you can use. You can find courses, whole courses that have been shared, individual modules if you're looking for help with a particular unit, or assignments, quizzes, discussions, pages, documents, videos, audio files, and or images that might be appropriate for you. So you can see here that we are doing the public resources, and we currently have over 45,000 results. That's a lot to scroll through. So if we want to start narrowing that down, maybe we want to narrow it down to a grade level. So 11th grade. Maybe we want to look at what kind of content. So I'm going to look for a module. So if I only want a unit, then I might want to sort or bring it back down to a content area. So here I have sorted for modules in science, appropriate for grade 11. So I can scroll through. We still have almost 200 results about forensic science, growing up in a digital nation, lighting basics, forensic anthropology. So you can scroll through, see if there's something that fits for you. Another thing that I wanted to show you in here, I'll show you with a much smaller piece. I'm going to switch over to an assignment, not a module. So we're still looking for science in 11th grade. Here's an example of evidence documentation. When you find one that you want to look at, these gray bars here are tags, so you might be able to search for them by these types of items. Sometimes there's a preview below here that shows you the different pieces of what you're looking at. Since we are only looking at an assignment, we're not going to have a lot of a preview, just this description. So if I really want to see the details of this, I need to put it into a course. I have this testing course here that is specifically for the purposes of looking at things in the Commons or for practicing different things in Canvas that I don't know what's going to happen. So here I'm going to put it into my testing course, and I am looking at an assignment titled Evidence Documentation. That becomes important here. I'm going to hit import, not download. Import and put it into a course is much easier. We get this green bar that says it's working. Now I'm going to go back to the course titled Testing, and I'm going to look for the assignment titled Evidence Documentation Assignment. So let's go back to my dashboard and find that course. And now we need to look in the assignments. So you have to find the type of thing that it is that you copied. And it was called evidence. This is going to be easiest to search. So here it is. I can look at it. I have a lot of information here. This is much more than was visible. This will give me a document. Here's preview. Here's some other documents. So this gives the students, there's a rubric attached. It tells us students will be submitting a URL or a file upload. Okay, so if I like this, I can keep it. Okay, so even when something is over and in, pull it back up here. If I choose that I don't like it, I can unpublish it. I can even delete it if I really don't want it. If I just want to hold on to it for later, I can just unpublish it and save it for later. One of the other things I want to point out in the Commons is that if you are an English teacher teaching English 1, 2, or 3, this is where you can find your HMH content. So, for example, I'm going to say English 3, and here are the English 3. These are interactive lessons, and then you need to look for your content based on the collection and the lesson. That is how HMH has them organized. So you choose the lessons from the different collections, and you will be able to pull them into your courses. As always, don't hesitate if you have any questions. Give me a call. I'll be happy to walk you through this step by step. My extension is 2827, or feel free to email me. Thank you. Have a great day.